This is going to be a high-ticket affiliate marketing traffic strategy for complete beginners. By the end of this video, you'll know how to drive traffic to your 24/7 sales system. Welcome to video number 3 of this high-ticket affiliate marketing series. Throughout this series, I show with you how you can start with high-ticket affiliate marketing so you can start building your own online income. Because it's important to be prepared if something happens to your job, because it happened to me when I lost my job. I have an additional income stream with affiliate marketing. Yesterday, I recorded this video on how you can build your 24/7 sales system. And today, I will talk about the traffic strategies I use that are helping me to make these online commissions. The first method is YouTube. You can create a simple review video talking about the product. For example, for the product that I promote, I created a video with these keywords, Freedom Accelerator review. And I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see in the screen, this is my video. I'm in the 8th spot on YouTube. And it's important to put the link of your funnel in the description and also optimize your video for the right keyword. So in my case, is Freedom Accelerator review. Let me show you my TubeBuddy analytics. As you can see, this video has 100. That means my keyword is well optimized in the title, the description, and in the tags. And the optimization is helping me to rank my video in the first 10 spots. Remember that to make commissions with affiliate marketing, you need to put yourself between the company and the buyer. And you're going to do that by creating content. To optimize my videos, I use the software called TubeBuddy. You can find my affiliate link in the description. The second method I use is Google. I wrote an article review for Freedom Accelerator and I optimized the article with that keyword. For example, if I write Freedom Accelerator reviews on Google, my article is ranking in the 10th spot. And inside of my article, I put my video and also this call to actions, get instant access now. And when people click that button, they will go to my affiliate offer. And inside of the article, people are going to find information about the training. The third method I use is by creating short form videos. For example, this is my TikTok account and I'm creating short form videos talking about my own journey. And in the bio, I put the link of my funnel. And when people click there, they will go to my opt-in page. And the 24/7 sales system is going to do all the work. A cool tip about the short form video is that you can upload the same video on YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, or Pinterest. And you can utilize those social media to drive more traffic to your funnel. Now, it's important for you to know that if you use these traffic strategies, it takes time to get results. Now, if you want to get access to the 72-hour challenge that will help you to start your own affiliate business in 72 hours, you can click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and God bless.